Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to another video. It's going to be an inbox review here, and it is going to be of Airfix's 148 scale Hawker Sea Fury FB.11 export. Note the export. This was an absolutely brand spanking new tool in about 2018. I did do a inbox review of it, but this is the export version, so they've just added a few probably decals and stuff and whatnot, but we're going to have a little look inside here what's sort of different. But I'm going to sort of go through this really quickly, not really show you everything, because if you want to sort of really see this kit, go check out the Sea Fury FB11 video I've already done. So let's jump right in. So just a little quick rundown. Here we go, just a quick look. Here is the kind of surface detail we are looking at with this kit. This is the wing section, as you can quite clearly see by these. You know, we've got detail on there and everything, but you know, probably a little bit out of scale. Those recessed panel lines are a bit sort of on the beefy side, not much in the sense of rivets and everything. But if you've already seen that the inbox review I did of the non-export version, you know, the basic gist of this kit, you know what, £25, you can't go wrong with this kit. The surface detail, as I say, I'd probably jazz it up by doing some rivet work all on there. I know the recessed panel lines are a little bit too big, but you know, you can sort of get away with it. But for £25, it's a really nice kit, and it's a brand new tool. So this kit in particular, we have the export version. So you know, jumping straight into the instructions, this is basically the major difference here, is we get a whole bunch of new markings and new decals. Right, so we have this lovely nice scheme just here as well. Who's this by? This is the Royal Australian Navy as well. So all you Aussies out there are going to love this, as well as this one is the Royal Canadian Navy as well. So it's kind of cool that you know, the Aussies and the Canadian guys out there, you can have this aircraft in your country's scheme as well. So very nice there. Oh, and we got another one at the back. There's a third one. This is the Aerobats. Who's this? Oh, it's the Netherlands. So that's kind of cool how you've even got the Netherlands in there as well, so all you guys can enjoy this fantastic kit. Also, the decals are nicely by Cartograph as well, so you haven't got to worry about any sort of you know, sort of bad decals in here, which, you know, if we have a look, you know, this is the kind of decals we're going for. We've got the roundels here for like Canadian and Netherlands and everything, Australia, right, we've got all that good stuff in there, and just the same as the non-export version, you know, really damn good decals indeed. So yeah, it's quite nice to see. I know Airfix doesn't like rebox like mad, but it's nice to see them do a little bit here and there just to broaden sort of the decals and whatnot and markings and stuff for everyone to sort of enjoy their country's Air Force and all that kind of good stuff. And again, for around about £25, you can't really grumble for this kit. So definitely a big thumbs up and a well recommended kit by Airfix. So until next time, hopefully you've enjoyed. My name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you later.